This is the best free chess app you must have on your smartphone. At the end of this video, I will give you a Grandmaster Annotated chess database which has 800 high quality chess games in it for free. Let me show you how to use this powerful chess app and how it will help you to improve your chess. You can play chess against this app. It has a free open book with a powerful chess engine. You can read or create your Fijian chess databases. You can also enter a chess position, analyze it and save your analysis into database you select. Simply, this is a mobile chess base you can have in your pocket. After installing and opening this free chess app on your smartphone, you can see this interface which has a beautiful chessboard. If you click this icon, you can flip the chessboard and these two arrowheads can replay chess moves back and forth. By touching this exclamation mark, you can force the chess app to make a move and start a new chess game. The icon which has a chessboard and a blank page on it can also begin a new chess game while you playing or entering a chess game for analyzing. You can choose the app's playing strength from amateur to grandmaster level via this chess piece icon. There are two types of games you can play against this app. The first option is friendly games mode and the second one is the most powerful, the rated games mode. To start a friendly or rated chess game, you have to touch these three lines over here. If you choose friendly games mode, you will see this interface which has this tube shaped icon that can give you hints while you're playing. To enter a chess mode, touch the chess piece and drag it to the square you want it to go. Remember, while you're playing, if you touch the exclamation mark, you can switch sides, but this option is only available in friendly games mode. This meter right here shows which side has the better game. If it goes to the left side, it means the chess app has the advantage. If it goes to the right side, that means you have the advantage. This microscope icon can switch the app into an analyzing mode and these two pawns here will help you to switch back to the game mode. The E4 icon will help you to switch to the open book or to the engine. Let's talk about the opening book. It is small but it is quite good, I would say, because it is free. The green bar shows the success rate of a chess move from white's perspective. But there are some settings you can change to make this free opening book quite user friendly. To change these opening book settings, touch these three lines on the top of the left corner and touch settings. I like to keep this wood chessboard and the Fritz chess piece set. Remember to turn on coordinates and board sounds to see board coordinates and play board sounds respectively. Last move, single touch entry, animation and replay speed can be customized according to your needs. So the opening book section has 4 basic but important settings: move performance, last played, average elo of the moves, and statics bar. My recommendation is to turn them all on because information is foul. Make sure to select figurines to see notations properly, and I like to follow the main line, turn on also. Selecting the new line in the new move will make your life easier when entering chess moves. Engine settings help you to choose which chess engine to analyze your moves. Memory usage of the chess app, how many cores it can use while analyzing. I like to use Deep 15 as my chess engine and these settings with it. To go back, touch here. Let's talk about the chess engine. It is powerful and completely free. The number after letter D is the depth of moves engine already calculated. Calculation speed is shown by kilonodes per second. To increase the number of lines the engine calculates, you can touch this plus icon. To decrease the number of lines engine calculates, you can touch this minus icon. These three dots have 4 important engine settings. If I want to know the thread behind a chess move from the side which has already made the move, I can select the thread option right here. To copy engine analysis to notation, touch this to notation option. To analyze a specific move only, lock the engine right here. The arrows option will show you the chess moves engine calculates on the chessboard. But there are another three dots right here. If you touch them, you can access the options to change game data like player's name, rating, etc. And if you are adding new chess moves to an already made file, touch the save option, and the save as option will allow you to select or create a new database to save your analysis. The position setup option will give you the access to enter any legal chess position into the chess app. And the share option will help you to share your Fijian chess database with whoever you like anywhere in the world. Let's talk about the position setup option more deeply. Here, if you want to clear the entire chessboard, touch these three dots and select clear board. The other option will reset the board to the starting position. To add a chess piece to the chessboard, touch the piece and then touch on the square you want it to be. If you have made a mistake, then simply touch the square again and the piece will disappear. After entering the position, touch save to analyze it with the engine. To play a rated chess game, touch the three lines and select rated games. After playing the game, if you want to draw, touch here. If you want to resign, touch here. An interesting fact is that there is no resign or draw option in friendly games mode. The rating chart will show your progress as a chess player against this app, and the history option will show you the games you watched, played or analyzed with this chess app. To open or create a Fijian chess database, touch the three lines and select SD card. Here this icon will help you to create a new database. Touch it and give a name to create one. To open a Fijian database, touch here and select the location to open the database. Just touch on the database name and it will be opened. Here you can search in the database by touching these three dots and selecting Edit Filter. There you have the options to search a specific game by entering the details of it like the result, name of the player, etc. After entering those details, touch the search option and it will search the entire database for that specific game or games. To reset the search filter, touch here. Hit the like button if you got value out of this video, subscribe and select all to get a notification when I upload a new video like this. As I promised, here are the steps to get your free 800 Grandmaster Annotated database. Touch these three lines and select SD card. And here is your gift from Chessbase. Thank you for watching.